Harmony is in critical need of help. We must purchase our leased property in order to continue our mission and keep the animals safe, but we don't have much time.
The purpose of In Harmony is to help neglected and abandoned animals, including wolves and wolf dogs. We offer rehab, rehoming, as well as sanctuary for the ones who need a permanent place.
Won't you please help?
Won't you please help?
Won't you please help?
Won't you please help?
Won't you please help? ¿Puedes por favor ayudar?
Won't you please help?
Please go online to donate at www.ihwn.org. Thank you.